So you all know how we are going to start our class with welcome song. Okay, let's start. Start karo, chalo, come on, we'll sing it together. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Same is like you. Sorry. So, kids, now we are going to sing Mulberry Bush. All right? And I'm looking at each one of you. I have an eye. आप ये मत सोचना मैम को पता नहीं है हम क्या कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? We all have to do it together. Start. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take our bath, take our bath, take our bath. This is the way we take our bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. Okay. Now, kids, come on, stand up for national anthem. National anthem. Stand up, Navya. Navya. Okay. All right. Now everyone, अब I think आपको बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि whenever we sing national anthem or whenever national anthem is being played anywhere. So, okay ma'am, actually she is not visible now fully, that's why. So, whenever national anthem is being played, yeah, whenever we are singing it, so you have to stand straight. क्यों हमें सीधा खड़ा होना है? For showing it respect. ठीक है? अच्छा, one more thing I want to share with you. The national anthem is written by. ये national anthem किसने लिखा है? रबींद्रनाथ टैगोर. ठीक है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Who has written national anthem? It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Say with ma'am everyone. Rabindranath Tagore. ठीक है, daily we are going to revise this. चलो, so everyone, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, hands by your side. Attention. Khushi. What do you mean by attention, Khushi? Attention. Start. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जया 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 हे. Jai Hind. Okay. So actually today I am not well. All right. So kids, let's talk about the day and the date. So today the day is Thursday. Today the day is Thursday and the date is 30 September 2021. As you all know, September is going on and today is the last day of September. आज September का आखिरी दिन है, last day, 30 September. From tomorrow onwards, a new month is going to start. कल से एक नया month start होगा, ठीक है? Today is 30 September 2021. All right? चलो. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Okay. Now tell me, how many months are there in a year? एक ईयर में, 1 ईयर में, एक साल में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? There are 12 months. Let's say it together. January, February, खुशी बोलो, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right, kids, now let's start our work. So come on, get your English copy first. Get your English copy and write down today's date. Jasdeep, you don't know it that you should cover your mouth while yawning? Come on, write down today's date, 30/9/2021. September is the 9th month. Come on. Come on, get your English copy, everyone. And write down today's date. Sarthak, cover your mouth. Okay. So kids, what we are doing, we are learning double E sound words and double O sound words. Okay. So what we have to do today, we have to look at the picture and write down the correct double E or double O sound words. So I'm repeating it once again. Double E. Double E says E. Double E says E. And double O says OO. Double E says E and double O says OO. ठीक है? चलो स्टार्ट करें. Shall we start? आप लोगों ने डेट लिख ली? Have you written the date and all on the copy? On the page? Ma'am, you didn't get the PDF? Ma'am? अच्छा, parents, you tell me, आपको PDF मिली थी कि नहीं? No. But I had to given yesterday only, ma'am. Acha. Some are saying yes, some are saying no. Okay. I have to ask ma'am regarding this. Maybe the Talwandi parents got the PDF, I think. Acha, everyone is saying yes. Purvi's mother, ma'am, sabhi yes keh rahe hain. Everyone got the PDF. You unmute yourself. You tell me what's the problem. Yes, ma'am. Spoon. You have to look at the picture and write the correct double O sound words or double E sound words, whatever is correct. So the word is spoon. S-P, sp. Double O, U. तो जब हम स्पा में ऊ को मिलाएंगे तो स्पू बन जाएगा. स्पू and N says na, spoon, spoon. Again I am repeating, ma'am has written the word only one time, but you have to write 2 times in your copy. Each word you have to write 2 times. Acha, remember first letter must be capital always. First letter. Chaitya, cover your mouth. मैम सबको देख रहे हैं कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. And everyone, again I am telling, where are the uniforms? Myra, some of you are still not wearing the uniform. Bhavika, Goransh, your uniform also. Everyone have to wear uniform. Anif, switch on the camera. Tanav, Keshav, Kritika. This is your school only. You have to wear uniform. Now the next word is just a minute, parents. You write the word spoon. Okay. The second word is seed. Seed. Seed मतलब होता है बच्चों बीज. ठीक है? बीज. Seed. So seed. कौन सा लेटर पहले आ रहा है? So seed है ना? So first of all write S. Then E. तो E के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? We have to use double E. So double E and D. Seed. D किसका साउंड होता है? D. In this way you say the word and try to write the spelling. ठीक है? S-E-E-D. Seed. Write down 2 times बच्चों. Okay? As ma'am don't have space now, that's why ma'am has written 1 time. You all have to write it 2 times, each words. And the important thing is कि you have to read it. Try to say the word. फिर देखो कौन सा लेटर का साउंड आ रहा है. And try to write the spellings. Done? Completed? Shall we move next? Number 3. Number 3 is moon. Moon. So moon में पहला लेटर कौन सा आ रहा है? म. Moon. So first we have to write M. Okay. Then moo. U का sound आ रहा है, तो we have to write double O. Okay. It becomes moo. And the last word is moon. Na. तो ना किसका sound है? N. In this way you have to write. Try to write. M-O-O-N. Moon. Ma-U-N. Moon. Do it, say and write. Purvi, done? 2 times you have to write. Completed? Okay. And everyone done? Okay, I'm waiting for some time. You write down. Wo, u, vu, l. Wool. W-O-O-L. Wool. What is this? Knee. हमारा घुटना. Knee. K-N-E-E. knee. अच्छा, I told you कि sometimes many letters remain silent. They do not produce any sound. वो कोई भी sound नहीं निकालते, तो उनको silent letters कहते हैं. तो here K is silent. यहाँ पर K का sound नहीं आएगा. किन्ही नहीं बोलेंगे हम. नी. ठीक है? K-N-E-E. knee. Knee. Write down 2 times each words. Have you written number 3? Number 6. Number 6 is wheel. It is wheel. पहिया. ठीक है? Wheel. So, very nice, Anim. Well done. Anim has made all the spellings by its own. Very good, beta. That's a nice thing. Well done. Keep it up. Okay. Before me, you all have completed. Well done. Chalo, wheel. Wa. W-H. Wa. ठीक है? Wa. Now, E. V बनाना है हमें, तो E का sound आ रहा है. So we have to write double E. So it is V and L. Wheel. तो ला किसका साउंड होता है? L. Wheel. Now, number 7th is igloo. Okay, igloo. Igloo is the house made up of blocks of ice. जो ठंडी जगह होती है वहां पर बर्फ से बनाया जाता है. It is known as igloo. Well done, kids. But I have to complete this. Very, very well done. Those who have completed, very nice. And sorry. And those who are trying, well done to them also. Igloo. So, come on, say with ma'am. Ig. क्या साउंड आ रहा है? इग. ig. तो ig किसका साउंड होता है? आई का. तो राइट डाउन आई. देन ग. ig. तो वी हैव टू राइट जी. ठीक है. इग. देन लू. तो किसका साउंड आ रहा है? ला. और ला को लू बनाएंगे हम. लू. तो ऊ के लिए वी हैव टू राइट डबल ओ. इग लू. Vansh, cover the mouth. Cover your mouth. Igloo. I-G. Igloo. L-O-O. Loo. Igloo. And the last one is queen. Queen. So qua. So we have to write Q. Q-U. Then queen. E का sound आ रहा है तो double E we have to write. And queen. N. That's it. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Okay. So all the words you have to write 2 times. Chalo. Now